So in this video, you will see how landscape material can be used or landscape material can be made. Now in the content folder, you will see a lot of material which is available. Like, here you can see it is a grass. Here you can see it is a stone, and here you can see it is a some sort of rocks material or some sort of sand. So you can apply all these, individually. I mean, that is not a big deal. So in this video, what we will understand is how all this material and the blending can be done. So let us suppose, how does it work? So here, this is a landscape, and you can see 4 different type of material, a sort of, material which is already available. Now let us see how we can do the blending. So go to the mode and select the landscape. Now where you can see there are 4 different materials. It is like brick, rock, grass and sand. Now we have selected the grass, and let us suppose we want to grow some grass on this rocks. So you can simply paint it. I mean, you need to select this, which is already selected, paint, and you simply need to drag. Quite an easy. Or else suppose you want elevation part to be, rock. So you close this as a rock. Suppose you want some sort of sand at the, bottom of this rocks, and maybe, with the help of small size, again you can do some adjustment, whatever you require. You want to make a sort of road, you just make it. So this is what basically the landscape material blending. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and yes, subscribe to our channel for more updates. So let us recreate it again. So let me just readjust. Okay, fine. Go to content folder and this material tutorial. Recreate, and let me write landscape material blending. Fine. So here it is, the landscape. So open it. Fine. So here we are. Now what we need, the first thing we need is texture sample. So press T and left click. In the last example, what we have seen, we have, we have some 4 different textures. Maybe for this tutorial material, we will use 3. So make a copy of it, 2, and this 3. Now what we need is something called, what we have learned in the earlier, something called lerp. So here we will not use the lerp. What we will use is the blending. So what we need is landscape layer blend. So what we will create 3 different layers, and in the 3 different layers we will apply these materials. Now how you can do it? Here you can see there is nothing, but we need to have 3 different layers. To create 3 different layers, we need to go to this place, and there you can see array elements. Press twice, and sorry, thrice. So what you have is the 3 array elements. Now open this. Let us suppose the first layer we want to make it as, say for an example, grass. Leave the rest, not required right now at this moment. Preview weight, you can put say 0.33. Anyway, now go to the next one. Name it as, say, stone road. And third one, you name it as sand. Fine. Let the preview be 0.33, so that all 3 are fine. So this 33 is basically here. Now we have to add grass, we have to add stone, and we have to add layer. Before we add, just connect it. Why I'm saying connect it, you will understand. You add this to connect here. Now click there. So this is basically what? Grass. So look for some grass sample which is already available. Diffused map, select this. Here what is this? Is the stone. So let us have pebble stone. And here is the sand. So what you have to select is that diffused map. So here we are. What you can do, you can add a texture coordinator also, so that you can adjust the texture, and this will be absolutely based on the landscape that you make. So you can connect all three of these. Okay, this is one. Now copy this complete whole thing and paste it. Now what is this for? So now let us see what is this for. Okay, this mapping what we have done here is basically for the normal map. Now go each of them respectively and select the normal map. This is the normal. Now connect this here with the normal and this as the base color. So it looks like this. It is a mixture of all three layers. So don't worry about this. Save. Okay. So system will take time. Now go here. Now first you select this landscape. To select the landscape, what you have to go to the modes and go to select. So this material is now selected. No, this landscape is now selected. So this is our new material. After selecting this, click here so that the new material is selected. The moment you change this material, this will appear like this. So don't be bothered about what is this happening, all this black and all this thing. Now forget about it. Again go to modes, go to landscape, and now go to paint. What you can see is the manage sculpt. In the sculpt you can create new heights or new depths or whatever it is. You can smooth the ramp, so although you will see in some other video. In the paint you will see this, so it is already selected. Now whatever you do, it will appear only as the black, so nothing is happening. Now what you have to do is you have to come down to this layer. Now what has happened, earlier we have made a brick, sand or stone. So right now we just created one, we have not created the brick, so we will delete. So it is not required. Whenever you want to create something, you can either keep the old layer or you can delete the old layers. So nothing wrong in it, so you can delete it. Fine. Now you can simply apply whatever wherever you want. So you want a sand, so let us suppose you want to have the sand over here or something like this on the hilly area, or you want to have a sort of, you want to create some sort of road, so you can create a road over here. I think here there is no road. So okay, so what we need to create is the new layer for this. Right click on this plus, so you will get this too, weight blended layer. So this folder is already selected, or whatever the folder you want to have it hardly makes a difference. Only thing is that you need to remember. So click OK. So it is coming, name cannot have the following characters. Okay, fine. So here it is, some space is over there. So delete the space and underscore. Now it has been created. Since the sand is already been created, so it is not coming. Now again, stone road you apply. So whenever anything you apply for the first time, this thing will appear, as the whole thing will go black, and the compilation will happen. So here we are, the color blend. So whatever you want to apply, you can apply. You want to make it more grass over here, you can make the more grass over here. So this is how the layer blend material is created, where you can add couple of other layers, other materials. You can have anything. The only thing is you have to create a different layers. So in the blend mode, you need to create more number of layers, and after saving it, you need to create different layers for different materials. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.